Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose and you're watching again another episode of UpStreamCharlie. In today's video, hindi tayo ngayong mag-speaker review, kung hindi, magre-review tayo ng another mechanical keyboard, na gaming keyboard. So this one is the LEAVEN K550. Ayan. So, meron siyang mga RGB din, RGB lights. At saka, tetestingin natin kung maganda yung sound ng mechanical keyboard na to. So, kumpara dun sa Tilex na nabili ko last time, ito ay ano lang, no? Meron lang siyang 87 keys, no? So, wala siyang number pad sa kanan. So, mas maikli to. Okay, so let's do some unboxing. So, when it comes to packaging, maganda yung packaging niya. Tulad din ng packaging ng Tilex XC66. So, itong K550 ng LEAVEN, okay din yung packaging. So, let's try to open this one. Okay. So, ayan. So, simple lang siya. Pag binuksan mo, may hiwa dito sa gitna. Nakatago dito yung kable. Tapos, slide mo lang itong cover niya. Dust cover. Ano ba to? Hindi naman to user manual. Pero mukhang user manual. So, ito yung keyboard. So, tabi natin yung box. So, this is the K550. Okay. Meron siyang stand dito, keyboard stand. Tapos meron din siyang mga rubber stoppers, 4 sa dulo-dulo. Ito yung stand niya para may angle ka habang nagta-type ka. Tapos yung USB cable niya, hindi kasing kapal ng XC66 ng Tilex, pero pwede na rin. Okay. Mas makapal lang yun sa Tilex. Okay. So, pakinggan natin yung sound nito. So, okay naman. After this, we'll try to test it sa PC at kung okay naman din yung mga lights niya. So, katulad ng iba, it's function tapos insert or function and end or home. So, pipindutin mo lang naman yung function dito to change the lighting setup ng RGB niya or para madiscover mo yung mga RGB design lighting niya, yung mga backlit lighting niya dito sa keyboard. So, yung nabili namin, okay, this is part of the PC build namin. So, recently we just bought a new PC for my son. So, we bought this separately sa Lazada, hindi kasama doon sa PC build na pinagawa namin doon sa sa Gilmore dito sa Quezon City. Because here in Quezon City, if you want to have a new desktop PC, yung mga tower, you just go to the Gilmore Street in Quezon City. Gilmore Corner Aurora. Nandun po ang Mecca. Nandun po yung sangkatutak na supplier, assemblers ng mga PC. Okay, nandun din yung mga accessories and everything you need to have your own PC setup. Pang office, pang gaming, nandun lahat. Okay, pang editing, no, pang vlogging, pang live streaming, nandun lahat. So, maghanap ka lang ng magandang supplier so they could give you a very good price. So, this one we bought from Lazada. I'll put the price down below. So, our next video, let's try to test this dun sa PC. So, yun ang makikita nyo mga video. So, let's go!
400 pages. Can you believe that? 9 years old. 400 pages. Finally, I thought we did something good for this country. You don't like the good. Yeah. I like the anthem. Okay, you know, I'll catch it. Treasury now? Treasury now?
I know you miss me. I miss my kids every single day. But there are still a lot of people who need what only we can give.
Okay? Some people lost this. Some people lost more. Let's go and play.
Back. Okay, we're back. So, na-test na natin tong K550. So, okay naman siya for gaming. I mean, it's not the high-end keyboard, but it's a keyboard that you could play with for casual gamers, no, like me, and a more casual gamer like my son. So, na-test na namin to. So, okay naman, no? Wala naman siya mga ghosting, and it works properly. Now, for the price and performance, okay siya. So, itong LEAVEN K550, it's a buy. Okay, so if you plan to buy your next mechanical gaming keyboard, you should consider this K550. So, affordable siya, nasa 1,000 something lang. And it's very, very good. Okay. So, again, this is a buy. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you on the next product review. Bye-bye! Bye-bye!